Servus.
Hi, my name is Tobias Ebster. I'm competing in the Dakar Rally as a rookie, and you're going to follow me on the all-new 48-hour Chrono stage.
So a lot of people are wondering what I have actually in my moto box. I'm gonna show you right now what I have inside here. I have here my daily checklist of air filters, 12 pieces. These are my gloves for the liaison, because in the morning it is very cold. It's just for cleaning the chain. Spare bolts, a starter kit if my battery would die, duct tape, very important, zip ties of course, very important, oil filters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, spare cartridge for the airbag jacket, oil, sprays, Loctite if something is loose. Then what I have also here is like some spare bolts again, another tape, cutter, and then inside here there is actually the brake fluid, some sorts of tools, Allen keys, clean and fresh wet pipes, pliers, multi-tools. That is basically all I need for surviving the Dakar.
So with the Chrono stage, with the marathon stage, I think we all don't really know what to expect about it. I mean, for me, I don't, because it's my first time, but also other riders told me who have been here like 10 or 12 times that they don't really know what to expect. So we are excited about that. It's going to be interesting, let's say.
A little bit bent the handlebar, but normally should be okay. So now it's 230 kilometers to the next gas station, which is going to be tough because here it was not even 200 and almost everybody of us ran out of gas. So we were all coming with the reserve light on. No, but it's cool to ride. Like, I'm not pushing today, I'm just enjoying, let's say, call it a crash. I think with 140. Yeah, 140 kilometers per hour. A big crash. I almost destroyed myself. I'm super happy that nothing serious happened. How fast have we been at the crash? Yeah, and I was in the dust. I couldn't see it.
And there is a...
Yeah, I know, and I'm like...
I got so lucky, I went right. And I saw and I went right.
They're gonna changing the cartridge for the airbag, so if I crash or having a big drop or something, that it can blow up again, because it can only blow up 2 times, then we have to change this. Yes. So, just finished the first part of the Chrono stage. We are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 riders in the middle of nowhere at kilometer 460. There are 7 bivouacs like that, so when you arrive you have to build up your own tent. It's pretty cool here to sleep out here. Not a big difference compared to the moto, besides that you are outside here, and the good thing is tomorrow we don't have a liaison in the morning, so that is pretty cool. So also NASA's here. They make some fire. The Audi e-tron. So here is what we get.
classic beef stew. The electric Audi is making a noise. I thought it's quiet.
Yeah, looks like we got some action. I think it's heated tomorrow. But yeah, that's pretty cool. We get like
There's the tins.
one box and also chicken and beans.
Chicken curry,
Beans.
beans with tomato.
Nice.
Et voila.
Nice. So everybody's making the fire. Behind there are also two guys. And trying to eat something and get some rest after for tomorrow. We all here at the fire. Heating up tea and pecans. So I'm not sure if you can see me. It's 5:20 in the morning. Our start is at 6:20. We just woke up. I get dressed. Brad is taking a shit around there. You can't see him. Oh damn, that was a tough night. We didn't get a mattress, so we had to sleep on the floor. Chrono stage morning. We are already dressed. I'm super tired. Oh, the Audi e-tron is also loading. Yeah. We're gonna set our bikes, our tents together, set it down, and at 6:20 the first rider is gonna leave. Geil! 620 kilometers full of dunes. Wow, crazy. The last 40 kilometers, so soft dunes, but I'm so happy that me and Wilma, we are here at the finish, we could make it. And now we deserve a rest day, of course. I don't care about the result today. I'm just happy to be at the finish and to make it to the rest day. I can't believe how many people had to withdraw the race already because of technical problem. Like when we started here yesterday, 40 kilometers after, Skylar House was standing there, then Quintanilla, Gonzalez, Mason Klein also. So there are so many people out right now. That's why I'm super happy to make it to the finish.